everyone, I'm Lily. Welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to crochet this very beautiful bag. I use 7mm hook and acrylic yarn. Make a slip knot. Insert your hook under this yarn, pull up yarn and chaining. Yarn over, pull up yarn. Yarn over, pull up yarn. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 30. I made 30 chains in here. Make 1 2 more chains, add 1 2 3 4 5. In here we have 7 more chains. Yarn over, go to this chain, pull up yarn, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, yarn over, pull through 2 yarns together, make 1 double crochet, 1 2 chains, yarn over, skip, 1 2 chains, go to next chain, pull up yarn, pull through 2 yarns together, pull through 2 yarns together, make 1 2 chains, skip 2 chains, go to next chain, make 1 double crochet, 1 2 chains, skip 2 chains, go to next chain, make 1 double crochet, make 2 chains, skip 2 chains, go to next chain, make 1 double crochet, 1 2 chains, yarn over, make 1 double crochet, 1 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 1 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet, 2 chains, 1 double crochet. I have 2 extra chains in here. I cut the extra chains from here. We made first row. Make 1 2 3 chains, add 2 more chains, turn it, yarn over, go to top of this stitch in here, make 1 double crochet, 2 chains, yarn over, go to top of this stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 2 chains, Go to top of this stitch, go to last stitch, make 1 double crochet, make 1 2 3 1 2, turn it, go to top of this stitch, one, two chains, and continue like this. Make 2 chains, make 1 double crochet in last stitch, 1 2 3, 2 more chains, turn it, go to top of this stitch, make double crochet, 1 2 chains, in here make 1 double crochet in last stitch. We made 1 2 3 4 rows in here. Make 1 2 3 4 5 chains, yarn over, continue from this side in here, go to top of this stitch, one double crochet, 1 2 chains, yarn over, go to top of this stitch, take these yarns, 1 double crochet, 1 2 chains, go to top of this stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 2 chains, go to this stitch, make 1 double crochet, 1 2 chains, go to top of this stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 2 chains, and continue. In top of this stitch, 1 double crochet, 1 2 chains, I show in last stitch, make 2 chains, go to top of this stitch, one, two chains, go to top of this stitch, one, two chains, one, two chains, go to last stitch, one double crochet, two chains, go to top of this stitch, two chains I show, make two chains in last stitch, go to first stitch, slip stitch, one, two, three, four, five chains, yarn over, and continue same as before rows. One double crochet, two chains, one double crochet, two chains, one double crochet, two chains in all stitches. In last stitch make two chains, slip stitch. I crochet these rows in here, make one chain, go to this stitch, make one single crochet, two single crochet, go to next stitch, one, two single crochet, one, two single crochet, from here continue until here this stitch, one single crochet, two single crochet in here, continue like this, pull up yarn, make one single crochet, two single crochet, three, four single crochet, go to next stitch, make one, two single crochet in each stitch, one, two, one, two, 1 2 until here. 2 single crochet, 1 2 single crochet. Go to this stitch, take, pull up yarn, make 4 single crochet, 1 2 3 4. Make 2 single crochet in every stitch. Until this stitch. In here, pull up yarn, make single crochet stitches, 2 3 2 single crochet in each stitch, make 2 single crochet in this stitch, 1 2 in last stitch, go to first stitch, slip stitch,